What's up, crypto superstars? This is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. And today's video, this would be the video part 2 of support and resistance. Last video, we on the monthly chart, that's what we do. We select which one has the most touches. So this would be on the monthly, and now these are the most touches right now. Now the question is, how about on the lower time frames? So let's say we go now to lower time frames. Let's say go to daily, and we identify these are the from the monthly. These are the support and resistance. So by the way, this is the resistance, this is the support, and this one is the resistance. Let's say on the daily, now we see now the possible more touches here. So let's see, this could be the one here. Let's put it in the white so that we can see more. You can also change the colors here, and you can also change the how thick it is. So let's say 4, but it's too thick. It's up to you guys. So anyway, right now these are the levels that we are going to watch. Right now, since the price of euro went here to this resistance, so right now we might see the price to go up or break to this resistance here, or may go back here. So that would be the case. Let's see somewhere here again. So let's do a backtrack. So this is the one of the resistance here. So if you can see, there's lots of touches here. So what happened here? So what happened? So the price touch here, right? So, and several touches here, and another touch here, try to bounce here, and the price try to stay on this area too. Okay, so let's go to British Pound USD. On the monthly, again, we kind of see these levels here, and so somewhere here, and let's see somewhere here. Okay, so because that's what touches here, right? So here, here, and you have the touches here too. So you can see the touches here. So now let's go to the lower time frame. So let's go to the daily. So on the daily, let's see somewhere here, somewhere this area, because look at this, there has lots of multiple touches on these areas. So the price bounced back on these levels here, on this resistance here. So here too, so you can see we have a touch here, price reacted in this area, and this one reacted there, reacted here, and look at this, a bounce here, and the price go here and go up, and it reacted here, and before the price go down here. So that's how we do it. Okay, you know what, let's go to the 4-hour chart. So let's say somewhere here, let's see if this one really played out. So let's see somewhere here. So the price reacted here, 1 2 3 4, price struggled here, 5 6 7 8 9. So that's how you spot support and resistance on lower time frame. And another thing that I haven't showed you yet, guys, is let's go back to the monthly. And another thing, if you want to do this, is you can change this into a line. So if this is the case, it depends on you guys. So this is just a tip if you want to do this. So this is on the monthly chart. So if you can change this one is a candlestick, and you can, if you want to change it into line, so you can see it well actually here. So somewhere here, let's change the color, let's say orange, and let's see somewhere here, okay. So let's see somewhere here, yeah. and somewhere here too. Okay, so if you can see the reaction of the price, so if you can see, you know, the price reacted here, here, and the price of course reacted multiple times in here, and the price bounced here, and of course the price reacted here and here. It depends upon you if you want to use this strategy too. Similar even at the bottom here, the price reacted here, reacted here, reacted on this level, on this resistance here, or I mean the support here, and it did reacted again here. So that's how you do it. It's up to you guys. Another technique, if you want to do, if you can use a parallel channel here like this, you can use this channel. Let's see, something like this. If you want to do that too, that's fine. It's up to you. Or you can use let's say rectangle here. So you can use a rectangle if you want to. Let's say somewhere here the price reacted on this level here. Oops, rectangle. So the price reacted on this level. It's up to you guys, but if you put it back on the candle, so you can see also this one looks great too. I think the rectangle looks better. Oh, it depends upon you. Okay, so yeah, it depends upon you guys. So okay, so now you know how to do the support and resistance from the monthly, and you can go to the daily for the lower time frames. Yeah, the problem is if you go to the lower time frames, it's kind of huge here. So something you think about it. So personally, I just use the line. It's up to you guys. Right now, let's just remove this one on the daily, on the daily chart time frame. We'll just do a recap here. This is the area where lots of bounces, and if you want to go further, go for let's say 4 hour, then probably this would be one of the area here, somewhere here. Let's say to change the, let's change the color. Let's say red, or not too great. Maybe let's do it some like a light blue kind of thing. And even though if you want to go to the 1 hour chart, probably the price reacted on this area, price also reacted on this area. So let's see, look at that, lots of bounces in this area. So similar here, and it's up to you if you want to still go down to 30 minutes to 15 minutes. So it's up to you if you want to use on the 30 minutes, let's say somewhere here, 30 minutes. So if you can see lots of the price bounces on these areas, lots of activity going on here, here, the price reacted on this area. And there you go guys. If you find this video informative, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, why not consider subscribing already. So until then, I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.